Okay, so the next aspect of mobility is we've been looking at the neck. So mostly when we're dealing with modern behaviors in terms of alignment, we see that there's an anterior head carriage, meaning that the head goes forward and it flexes. So you have this flexion position. So we need to pull back and up in position to try and get the neck nice and stable. Now we can't just move the neck because it's actually attached to a lot across the body. So we have to get something called a brace triangle. So the first part of the triangle is our shoulders, right? Those are the 2 points of the triangle on the sides. And then you have the top of the triangle, which is actually your head or your neck. So the idea is to try and broaden, get them nice and long and down from the shoulders and get the neck back and up from the other side, from there. This is obviously built on the thoracic extension part that we've been working on, but at the same time, we need to develop this. The easiest way to do this is we're going to go down to ground, flat on the ground, hands just to the front. Okay. From here, we're going to keep the elbows down, pull them out to the side, and then get a little bit of a tuck so our back's not reaching down. From there, we're going to pull our head back and reach it up towards the wall. You're again going to pull back, up, and then release, and then we're also going to do a hold position as well in there. That is the easiest way because there's less dimensions to deal with. The next aspect of it would be to go to an all-four position. Now, it's a little bit more difficult because we now have to stabilize our shoulders as well. It's going to push out of them, but really broaden the shoulders and then keep them nice and wide and pulled slightly back. From there, we're going to push the head up and long, again, reaching towards the sky, tucking that chin in, and just let it release. Pull back and release it. The whole time, you should be feeling the neck and flexion here, but it should be a lengthening of that triangle position at the back as well. Last one, which is more advanced one, we'll get in a sitting position, but we'll need some sort of tension. So we're going to grab a TheraBand, some type of resistance. More difficult to do because we have to stabilize where the neck is. So bring the elbows a little forward and out, broadening those shoulders, and then from there, keeping those hands above the shoulder, elbows, and then pull the head back and back in. It's very difficult to keep it from shrugging, so it must be down and out, pull back in, and draw. You can always create more tension on the band and then pull back in position to get more tension through the neck. More we can work on this, we can pull that neck back in position and get a bit more extension from that back with the triangle.